Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and you know, when you shop and you get yarn that you can't get anywhere else, you gotta share it with your friends, so stay tuned. I've talked about these guys before in the past, and it's not a brand that you might, they don't really do a lot of their like mainstream stuff. They only sell their own yarns. The brand is called Purl Soho. Purl Soho. They used to have a store in New York City. They've closed it, and now they're just all online, as a lot of these retailers do. What I love about Purl Soho is they have an amazing teaching part of their website. So anything you need to know, it's predominantly knitting, but if there's anything you need to know, from short rows to like any kind of technique, they've got a really vibrant, dynamic YouTube channel that is integrated into their website, and it's all free. You can go and check it out. It's almost like a knitting school. And last year, I actually bought one of their kits to just learn how to do the seed stitch. And it came with a pattern book and a cowl, and the yarns are beautiful. They do a lot of high-end yarns. So it's not going to be your mainstream stuff, but when you really want to, like, kind of treat yourself something special, give them a try. And as we were traveling, they had sent out this email. There's a couple things that I got that were on sale, and then a couple things that I just was like, I've never ever tried this. I have to try this kind of yarn. So it came like this, and the yarn, I've never even felt it before. They have 2 new yarns in their line. And this first one it's simply alpaca. It's just alpaca, but it's 100% undyed alpaca. It's black alpaca. It is very rare to find these, and it is a fingering weight alpaca, and it's undyed. This is what it looks like, and I am like gobsmacked. I was like, have to I have to see what this feels like. It is a fingering weight, and they even had a pattern on their website. Look at this. It is so soft. It's just like soft division. You need to be able to feel this yarn. If you want to treat yourself to something really special and you don't want to tell anybody, or you don't want to share it with anybody, this is the yarn that you need. So this, it was on sale, so I bought it. It's normally $16 a ball, and each ball comes in at 164 yards. Again, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, but then it was on sale. I think I got it for like $12 a ball. It says it's as inky as a raven's wing and warm as glowing embers. Simply Alpaca is our 100% pure black alpaca yarn, glowing with the singular natural beauty of undyed alpaca fiber from the high Peruvian Andes. I mean, it's so soft, but I love the fact, I was like, I've never seen black alpaca. So you can't dye it, you can't do anything with this. Making up less than 1% of the global alpaca population. This is some fancy stuff, people. We ain't talking about no like hamburgers and cheeseburgers and hot dogs. We're talking about the caviar of yarn. And sometimes you just have to treat yourself to a little bit of the caviar of yarn, says me. The Brit will be like, oh, really? It says that it is a warm ebony color from their fleece and their faces to their hooves and their eyelashes. I'm looking at a picture. These guys are pure black. They're absolutely gorgeous, kind of a longer fur. And it says that global demand for white alpaca has seen this number has dwindled. And so we hope that in some small way, I'm helping the alpaca population by buying this. I feel so good. Simply Alpaca reverses this decline. We are so happy to share this rare and special fiber with you and to share for the planet this amazing animal. It's a deep, undyed color straight from nature, rich velvety onyx with warm, rich, ruddy undertones. Appealing and mysterious, it drinks in the light almost completely to create bottomless depths. Come on, people. Don't you want to have some of this? It's absolutely lovely. It is a superfine grade for very soft. It still retains some of the fibers. Fascinating natural texture. It's hypoallergenic, of course. What am I going to do with this? I'm going to make myself a beanie. Just a plain old black, gorgeous beanie. I'm going to double strand it because that's what it calls for. It does have a little bit of like a interesting sheen. It kind of goes like a gray to black, but that is black. I'm just, oh, it's dense, y'all. It's gorgeous. Simply Alpaca Black. So I ended up getting 3 skeins of this. And when you place an order for them, with them, you get like, they send you free stuff. And I love free stuff. So there's a lot of stuff in here that I don't even know what it is. So let me see. Oh, and wait till you see the other things that I got. It's like in these cute little bags of goodness. They sent me a lot of surprises. Makes me so happy. All right, so 2 balls of this is going to make me a hat. So I just got the 2 balls and I'm going to double strand it and I'm going to knit myself this gorgeous beanie. Isn't it lovely? All right, Simply Alpaca Black. You want to see the next thing I got? Again, something I've never even touched before. And I was like, I need to try this. You ready? Camel. Simply Camel. I've never, oh my God. It is so soft. Now I'm like, I don't know. Are camels, are they like stinky and smelly? I'm here to tell you, no, this is so incredibly soft yarn. I can't even go there with you. This is still on their website and it's for sale. The alpaca, unfortunately, this stuff is sold out, but they might be bringing it back. I don't know. But this guy is 25% off. Now it is a limited time offer, so it's normally $30 per, and it came down to $22.50. This is 100% baby camel. But no camel was harmed in the making of this yarn. I promise you. It's got beautiful drape and a soft glow and a desert glow. It's a wonderful choice for classic sweaters, heirloom scarves. Again, this is something only for you. And you're probably not going to want to make a sweater because it would be cheaper to buy the camel than it would be to buy the yarn to make the sweater. I did get myself the 4 hanks, and I'm going to make myself a beautiful long drapey, like a scarf, a drape shawl kind of a thing with it. This comes from camels who live freely in unfenced pastures. No camel was harmed in the making of this yarn. Once their fibers are cut with scissors, okay, they're not shaved, they're not harmed at all, and then it's brushed with combs or it's gathered from the ground. It is sorted then for quality and it's sent to a scouring mill that uses APEO-free detergent and processes wastewater twice to protect the ecosystem. See, I'm doing the good for the planet by getting this yarn, and it is so incredibly soft. 164 yards per hank of this beautiful stuff, 50 grams, and hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. The color that I got is natural brown. So there was like a darker brown, and then there was this lighter camel color. I thought if I love myself so much, I would make like a turtleneck or something out of this. Like it would just be absolutely gorgeous. But I don't have that kind of money. And I bought this myself. This was not given to me. I just buy this for myself. I don't have any affiliation with Purl Soho, except I love their yarn. So when you want to do something really lovely and wonderful for yourself, go to Purl Soho. Better yet, if you haven't been to there before, go to their website and sign up for their newsletter if you're a new customer, and you get like 20% off on their deals. Hello, so this plus 20% off is not a bad deal. Now, that's only on regular price merchandise. So like these guys and this, because it was on sale, I didn't get 20% off. This baby, on the other hand, I did get 20% off. This is called Estuary. It is 65% fine merino wool and 20% mulberry silk with 15% linen. This is, look at these colors. It is absolutely gorgeous. The color is called Violet Hellebore. Yeah. 384 yards. This is probably going to be some kind of a beautiful cowl, something lovely, something drapey that's going to be around the neck. I absolutely love it. 100 grams, 384 yards. This guy. So this yarn is called Estuary. It's made in Peru. It's an exquisite mix of fine merino wool, mulberry silk, and linen, and it's spun into a fascinating single ply yarn imbued with nature's complexities. It's a fingering weight. It relaxes and blooms beautifully when it's blocked to form a soft fluid fabric with a luster that catches the eye like the light on water, and with a touch of wildness from the linen fibers sprouting from the strands. It's lovely. I'm going to make this into a cowl or something lovely. Or I might just wear it like that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love. All right. Camel. All this yarn's from Peru, which, I mean, makes sense. This actually was made in Peru. And this was from Peru, made in Peru. And this is also from and made in Peru. But these guys over here, these are my surprises. These are very exciting because I don't know what these are. And wait, there is more here. The Christmas. This, it's called Welcome to Purl Soho. So when you place an order, and I think it's for like $75 or more, they give you a free hank of something. And so this here, they gave me, it's good wool, 100% Andean Highland wool, sport to lightweight, DK worsted weight. So they just want you to give this a try. But it's 76 yards, which is nice. I mean, I could actually add this to something and make it really something wonderful. And this is called Winter Grass. This is the freebie. And this guy here, I don't know what this is. Oh, I do remember. Now, this was a kit that came together, so you can either order the kit for the cowl, the Nimbus cowl, or the Simple Pleasures hat. Doesn't matter which one you get. The patterns are free on their website, but it basically calls for a ball of each one of these, and I asked them to wind it, and then they wound it for me. So these colors here are Kiln Red and Alzarian Orange. So these are actually going to go together for either a cowl or a hat. I'm not sure yet. This is called Line Weight 100% Merino Wool, and it's right in here. So one ball of this is called Line Weight. It is 100% soft merino wool, single ply. And this knits up into a nice smooth fabric, but then you can mix it with something like this to give it a little bit of a halo, a little bit of a bloom as it opens up. You can use it by itself or with a strand of something special like tussock. This is called tussock, to make lovely hats, hand warmers, wraps, and cowls. And again, this is 100% merino wash wool. It's 100 grams of weight, and it's 494 yards. So it's pretty easy. I mean, that's quite a bit of yarn. And this comes in at $22.50 per ball. And then they rolled it for me. And then this is the tussock. Now this is actually a mohair that comes from Japan. This is spun and dyed in Japan. It is 60% superfine kid mohair and 40% silk. It's really nice to be absorbing the color and reflecting tones. So like we're mixing this, it's got a little bit of light and hue to it. Mixing that along with this, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So I'm either going to make a hat or a cowl with this. I do not know. These are special. These are like yarns when you just want to feel beautiful and special about yourself. That's what you get. So this here is my camel. This here is my, what did I say, mulberry silk merino wool and a little bit of linen. These guys here are going to go together to be something beautiful. And of course, you guys are going to see what it's going to look like when it's all done. And this is going to be my black alpaca hat that is going to go with me everywhere I go. It's going to be nice and soft and warm and beautiful and luxurious. But wait, there's more. They were having a sale. Now, to be fair, I don't buy anything from them unless it's on sale or unless I'm a new customer and I'm getting a 20% off discount. But their yarns, this is like a really beautiful high-end yarn store. And it's a shame that they had to close, but such is the way of the world. But they were having a really great sale on their linen quill yarn and something else. Ooh, this guy. Okay, this is a kit. Oh, look at these yarns. This is called the 9-Note Seed Stitch. Now, this is the wrap that it comes in. So basically you use these colors and then you can choose the colors and then it's a wrap. And this is exactly what I'm going to make. Check this out. I was so intrigued by this yarn. And again, something about green. All of a sudden lately, I've just been obsessed with the color green. Notice the color transition from the light all the way through to the dark. So all of this is going to go together and it's thick. It is 80% extra fine merino wool and 20% baby alpaca. It's a light worsted DK weight. It is so soft. But basically, the yarn just kind of does the work itself. So it looks like this. It's squishy, it's soft, it's gorgeous. It is 100 yards per hank, if you will, 50 grams. And again, so the colors, it's apple. The color note that I chose was apple. Okay, so they were having a sale, getting rid of some of their spring colors. It was their spring sale to bring in some of the new colors. So this is normally 133 for all of these, but it was marked down to 79. But all of this will make one wrap. And they also have it, this is called apple. They also have it in a color called begonia, but the colors that were on sale were apple, dragon fruit, which is like hot pinks, and then something called beauty berry, which is a series of purples, which I didn't get because I had this guy. And then there's a darker purple called wild iris, which is actually beautiful. It's really gorgeous. I don't know. I was just dreaming about something in green. So I got this apple color and it came in this really nice tote bag. The only thing is you got to remember which colors go which so that you literally go from the graduation all the way through. But it's this very subtle, beautiful, easy graduation. I know. You guys are like, really? More yarn? Yeah, I know. And then they gave me this cute little free sample of Daily Wool Sport. And this is 100% superwash wool. So they always give you some kind of a little something or other. This is 60 yards. So this is pretty. This actually can go together with this in some fashion, even though this is 76 yards and this is 60. So these actually could go together. Don't know for making what, but they'll go together. Of course they will. All right, and the other thing, and I've been eyeing these for quite a while, it's their linen quill set. Purl Soho linen quill. So this is the linen quills minis, right? And this was like final clearance. It's out of here. So I got 20 colors. And it was $59 for 20 colors. But these are, so these are discontinued colors until they were 40% off. Let's see. So these are 50%. Each one is 50% Highland wool, 35% alpaca, and 15% linen. And each ball is 25 grams or 109 yards. And then there are different patterns that you can make with this. There's something called the end-to-end pullover, and it's like a knitted garter stitch that goes basically, instead of going back and forth this way, you go vertical as opposed to going horizontal. That could be somewhat interesting for this. Otherwise, they have like a really pretty little blankets, or kind of like a shawl, a pirouette shawl. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to make, and they have a lot of free patterns on their website. So these colors here, but aren't they gorgeous? So something is going to be made with these beauties. I'm not quite sure what it is yet, but I just love Purl Soho. When you want to treat yourself, when you want to do something nice, like I said, I've stumbled on these guys. I just want to help them out. And I really want to have some really beautiful, these are going to be more like your heritage pieces that you're going to keep for a long time. You're going to do something really nice for yourself, even if it's just a little teeny tiny hat or a wrap or something like that. Or this. So you get all these colors. All right. That's my thing. That's my new little hit for from Purl Soho. If you don't know where they are, or if you've never heard of them before, I've done a couple videos with them. Go and check them out. They are, like I said, kind of like a little bit more of your high-end heritage yarn store. It used to have it in brick and mortar, and now they're just online. But you can check them out, Purl Soho. I'll just give you the information below. Check them out for their sales. And if you've never gone with them before, you can get their stuff regular price. First time out as a new customer, 20% off. So there's something there. All right. Thanks so much for watching my little Decadent haul from Purl Soho. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.